boys and girls, today we're going to practice our spelling words by writing them and then coloring the vowels. So, what is our goal this week? Who can tell me? To read and write short E words. So, to help us accomplish our goal, we are going to practice our spelling words. So, get ready to pop up some sounds. The first word is a number, and the number is 10. Can you pop up the sounds for 10? T, n. Okay, let's write those sounds. T, n. 10. Very good. Our next word is what a spider makes. A spider makes a web. Pop up the sounds. W, e, b. Let's write it. W, e, b. Web. Good. Our next word is the word get. What sounds do you hear? G, e, t. Let's write those sounds. G, e, t. Get. Good. Our next word is another name for a chicken. A chicken can also be called a hen. H, e, n. N. Hen. Good. Our next word can be the name of a girl, and it's the nickname for someone named Megan. We shorten Megan to Meg. Tell me the sounds. M, e, g. And because it's a name, our first letter will be a capital. M, e, g. Meg. Very good. Our next word is set. Tell me the sounds. S, e, t. Set. Let's write it. S, e, t. Set. Very good. The next one is what you sleep in at night. What do you sleep in, boys and girls? A bed. B, e, d. Bed. Let's write it. B, e, d. Bed. Good. The next word is going to be something you can write with. You can write with a pen. Tell me the sounds. P, e, n. Pen. Let's write it. P, e, n. Pen. Good. Let's do the word met. Tell me the sounds. M, e, t. Write it. M, e, t. Met. Good. And our last word is where you take an animal when it is sick. You take it to the vet. V, e, t. Let's write it. V, e, t. Very good. You take it to the vet. Good. Now we need a red crayon. So go ahead and get your red crayon. And we're going to color all of the short E's. So let's read the first word. The first word is 10. Color the vowel. Our next word is web. What's the vowel? E. Good. Read our next word. Get. Nice. Our next word is hen. Our next word is Meg. Set. Bed. Pen. Met. And vet. Very good. Please make sure your name is at the top of your paper. Put it in the turn-in basket and start on your Lexia.